Hi everyone, welcome to a new mega gadget collection on the channel. For those of you new to the channel, welcome. These are the videos where I show you a whole range of technology and gadgets all in the one video. And this is a STARTRC special. So all of these products are from the same company. Full disclosure, these were sent in free of charge. No money's exchanged hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular, simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the STARTRC Super Clamp Camera Mount. Comes supplied in this box here, and you'd also get a nice instruction card as well. And this is very useful for if you record videos either in the studio or whilst you're out and about. And it consists of the clamp, which is very, very nicely engineered. We also get this additional piece here, which allows you to mount something like an action camera on the mount. So nice that we get that included as well. And then of course we've got this little sort of magic arm piece, which adds to the functionality. And the idea with this product is that you would unwind the clamp. This comes out nice and wide as well. It's got really good rubberized pieces here, and these also on hinges. So this will clamp around a bar or a rod, and then you can clamp this down as the name suggests. And once it's clamped into place, you can use these various threaded mounts to mount the arm, for example. So we can pop this arm on here. And then once that's in place, we can turn this here, and this loosens up both ends so that it all becomes loose, and then you can put this to the angle that you want. And then once you've got it to the angle that you require, you simply tighten this down. It tightens both ends, and then you've got a threaded mount here where you can put your action camera, or you can put your regular camera on this end. So it's just a very, very useful device for clamping cameras or lights to something like a pole or the side of a desk, for example. Very, very useful, really well engineered, and highly recommended. These are the STARTRC Lens Guards for the Insta360 X5. Very, very important this. Insta360 X5, latest 360 action camera, has removable lenses, and these guards go over the top of those lenses to give them extra protection. Now, the official manufacturer ones are quite expensive, still affordable, still a decent price, but these will save you a few pounds, and they work just as well. So inside the box we do get a quality certificate. We also get some dry and wet wipe. We get an instruction on how to install them. And then of course you don't just get one, you get two of the lens guards, because you've got a lens on either side of the Insta360 X5. And if I just open one of these to show you, they do come covered. I'm not going to remove this film, but they do come covered in this film to protect the lens. And these simply screw on or mount on to the lens on your X5. Very, very good, nice and optically clear. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, they do save you some money because they're very, very competitively priced. Great product, and definitely worth keeping in your kit bag. This is from STARTRC, and it's a very useful hard case for your Insta360 X5 action camera. Now the Insta360 X5 has got lenses on both sides. They are exposed, and they also comes with lots of accessories. So having something like this to carry them around in is very, very good indeed. It's a nice rugged compact case, and we open it up like so to reveal that we have got foam in the lid. And then we have also got an instruction sheet here to show you where all of the various components can go. So we have got sections for the camera itself just in here. We can put some extra batteries in these slots here. We can fit one of the mounts in here. We can fit the little sort of mini tripod just in here. The battery pack can go in here. So this will accommodate the battery charger that also accommodates an extra 2 batteries. Very, very good indeed. And then of course here we have got room for an invisible selfie stick. It's all really nicely padded. There is also these 2 ropes here, so you can lift this out to gain access to an extra section at the bottom, and here you can put things like extra accessories, maybe a mic pack, maybe some extra batteries, maybe an extra lens cover in here as well. Actually, scratch that. That particular part there is an extra cutout so that the lens dips down into that section when it's in the box. It's a very, very useful carry case. Super well made. Definitely worth picking up for your Insta360 X5. This is the STARTRC Organizer Case for your Insta360 X5. A really cool 360-degree action camera. It's a very, very nice looking case. Really nice colourway as well in this grey. We've also got some nice pull tabs here for the zips, and we've got a nice carry handle on the top as well. And when we open this up, you will see how awesome this is and how really useful it's going to be. So inside, let's just take a look at this lid that we just opened. We've got a zipper here and some netted pocket area so we can store maybe some instructions, extra accessories. Then we've got some loops here, perfect for putting things like cables in, and then a Velcro closure just here to reveal the inside of the organizer. Now, of course, this is designed for the Insta360 X5. You could use it for other accessories as well. We have got a nice webbed shoulder strap which is going to connect to the loops on either side of the carry case, and then this is really nicely organized. You've got a main section here, maybe for your battery charger, extra batteries in here, extra accessory here, the Insta360 X5, a selfie stick, maybe a smaller selfie stick or mini tripod in here. Really nicely organized. It's superbly made, decent amount of padding, and just very, very easy to use. If you own an Insta360 X5 or indeed another action camera, I think you'd be able to fit other ones in here as well, then something like this is definitely worth picking up. It makes carrying your action camera and all your accessories super, super easy. Now, this is the STARTRC Universal Crossbody Storage Bag, and in fact it's an all-in-one waterproof storage bag that you could use for a whole range of different cameras. You could put your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in here, your Osmo Mobile 7P, your Action 5 Pro. You could use it for pretty much any brand of action camera. It's really nicely designed as well. You can see here it's sort of like a slate grey with contrasting orange tabs for the zippers. We've got a nice crossbody strap as well, which is fully adjustable, and you can disconnect it fully as well, so you can open this up really nicely. We've also got lots of zips. So if we start on the front here, we have got a zipped area here, very, very spacious as well for accessories. So that's nice. We've got this sort of front area. Let's just do that back up. Then we've also got, if we look on the top here, the main compartment. And this is super well organized. We can open this all the way up, in fact, to reveal a netted pocket on this side, which has got a zipper on it. We've also got a little clip, so we can attach perhaps your keys on that, and then they can go safely into the bag. We've got some organization for cables with these little elastic loops. This can be reorganized as well because this is Velcro attached. You could take this portion out. We've got an extra section at the back. We've got extra pockets, 2 small ones and then 1 large one in there as well. So plenty of different dividers inside, and it really does accommodate a lot. You could fit in your action camera, memory cards, cables, a small sort of mini selfie stick, for example, extra accessories in the front here, and then you've got this storage compartment on the front that's very, very easy to access. This is a great little crossbody bag from STARTRC. I can highly recommend it. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Let me know in the comments section below which one of these products was your favourite, and if you want to purchase any for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.